Hello and welcome to this course, Ultimate Python for Beginners with Projects. Why everyone in IT should learn Python? Python is one of the most widely used language over the web. It is easy to learn, it is easy to read, easy to maintain, a board standard library, interactive mode, it is a portable, it is extendable, it includes databases, it has a GUI in programming, which is a graphical user interface, and it is scalable. Jobs that you can expect after you become a Python expert: DevOps engineer, software engineer, systems administrator, systems engineer, senior software engineer, Python developer, of course, and network engineer. So, in this course, we will handle the following. First, we will learn Python from the scratch. And, of course, we will be understanding Python essentials and concepts. We will learn how to install Python, how to write our first Hello World program, the data types, the numbers, the math functions. We will handle the operator precedence, variables, strings, types conversion, formatted strings and the strings indexing, the Boolean. We will learn list and list methods, matrix, the NaN operator, the dictionary and dictionary methods, tuple, and we will handle the loops and the if-else statements. We will learn the range functions and the functions, the args and key args, and we will learn how to handle and install the packages, and we will learn error handling with the I/O error handling, which is input-output. Finally, we will practice, and with a step-by-step, we will have a hands-on projects. Build our first bot scanner from the scratch. Also, we will build our first web application dictionary discovery, and we will learn how to create a brute force login. All of that will be handled here in this course. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now. Also, we will have a 30 days money back guarantee with job guarantee if you're taking this course, so you will have the confidence in your technical skills for the jobs we mentioned before. Are you excited? I will see you there.